Hi, this is John here. Tip and trick for you guys in the Seismic DE and F installations. In lieu of using 2-inch wall angle, you can use the Seismic RX with 7/8 wall angle. But to achieve your 3/4 movement, your grid's basically sitting on the hem, 1/8 of an inch. So it's not a lot. We do have it tested, but we do have a new next best thing, our 78/50 angle, which is 1.125 wide. So that gives you a full quarter to sit on and still achieve the 3/4 clearance and be a lot better, more appealing visual than the 2-inch wall angle. So here we've got, prepared a small little mock-up for our, DEF installations, and you have your 7800 wall angle, you got your Burke 2 clip, you got your 3/4 clearance, and note, we're just sitting on the hem. So, that's not a lot of room for error. And you move over here to the new 7850, and again, it's just a little bit bigger. So 1.125 instead of 7/8. And with the 3/4 clearance, as this is showing, you're sitting on the grid by a full 1/4 of an inch. So you get a little bit more leeway to not have to have your T's perfectly cut. So remember on your next Seismic installation to order some 7850 in lieu of our 7800 wall angle and give it a try. The 7850 gives you a little bit more room to sit on while still providing a much better visual than 2-inch wall angle.